My name is Darren Pottage. I'm the Senior Product Development Technician here at Isuzu Australia. Currently we're in the Product Development Centre, and today we're going to talk about this little blue gem we've got here in the background. The truck was found in Sydney. It's a 1976 model. The fellow who had it, he was a concreter and formwork guy. This one here, being a tipper, could have been used from anything like this that previous owner had. I believe it's got close to 300,000. It's a Isuzu Elf, and it's badged as a 350, being 3.5 tonne, and the model code is a KS11, and in this case tipper added to that because it was factory fitted with the tipper body. It's a pretty cool little truck, and we saw that and we thought that would be great to have in our fleet as part of our heritage. Currently we still sell ready to work tippers and various sizes, and this was an example of, I guess, how it all started out. So the aim with the restoration is to go over the vehicle, strip it down, cab off, trim out, tipping body off, so essentially get down to a rolling chassis, then assess what we need to repair or replace or rebuild. The engine will need some attention. Things like gear shift linkages and stuff are well used, because I'd hate to think how many gear changes it's done, so that all needs repairing and rebuilding so it's back to its former glory. Yeah, and given its age, there probably would be a few sort of hurdles to overcome with sourcing some parts, and so that's where, like I said before, other people willing to help. The parts department, we engaged a good panel shop who was willing to help with whatever we needed, and also found a very good trimmer who was also the same, and he worked closely with us to replicate where he could. I found some supplies, like the window glass for instance was locally made as it was originally in that truck. Challenging and rewarding part will obviously be all the steps along the way to get it where we want it to be, and then having that finished item there, and so we can show it off and say, hey look, here's part of our heritage and history. It will feel like I think a company-wide achievement, and say, look at what we've done.